guys, welcome back to the channel. The race is on. If any of you follow my social media, you would have found out that the paint job didn't go to plan. I think it was more down to time scales with the paint and stuff, and he couldn't fit me in, so the car sat in the corner of his paint shop for 3 weeks. Bit of a shame, a bit gutted. I think he thought he had more time to do it in, but maybe I didn't let him know about timescales and stuff, but I kind of wanted it back for the Lakes tour, you know, the Lakes tour with the RS group and stuff. I got tickets for the Lakes tour 2024 this year, so first time I've been able to get a place on the tour. I applied for it when the website opened, and I got number 203, so you can imagine how many cars apply at the same time. Imagine how many people apply at the same time. So the race is on to get the car finished. I've got a massive list. Here's my massive list to do, and we're going to crack on with it this evening. I've got 2 evenings and 2 days to get it finished, and then we're gonna drive down to the lakes and do the Lakes tour. So let's get cracking now. So here we are so far. Fuel tank's in, senders all wired up and soldered in. I put the AN fitting on the bottom of the fuel tank. I'm just about to make the fuel line ready, straight over to my pumps. I've got 2 pumps. I'm going to run a spare. I've always ran a spare, and I've got the fuel reg. I've actually ordered a new fuel reg with AN fittings, so hopefully that'll come through in the next day or so, and we'll get that fitted up, because I've just found out that the PTFE, because I've gone PTFE fuel lines, won't crush or seal over the barbs. Well, I haven't tried, but I don't think it's good practice, and for £100 for a new reg with AN fittings, I'm just going to go for that. So I've ordered one from Demon Tweaks, next day delivery, so hopefully get that in the next day or 2. Yeah, this is what it looks so far. Starting to look pretty tidy, innit? I had a couple of these anodized fittings left, so put them on. I love them. I love little things like that. So here's some of the fuel line set up. Just waiting for a fitting for here. I ordered the wrong fitting. Moppet, aren't I? But yeah, they're nice things, aren't they? But I do find they marked it easy. I even bought the correct spanner to be tightening them up. But I've had to put masking tape on both of my spanners, you know, on the inside of the faces. Gonna loop it round. It's gonna go underneath. You know, let's get underneath the car now and I'll show you. So it's coming down on P-clips. Some nice P-clips in it. P-clips all the way up, all the way over. I put them thread inserts in the chassis rail, and they do actually fit into these clips, but that'll just keep it secure, a little bit more secure. But yeah, that's as high as I could get it. Oh. So I've got one more full day on it on Thursday. Come on in, you right?
Mummy's gonna cook tea, so please do, stay with James.
Yeah, I'm coming in right now. I'm nearly finished, babe. So you're trying to do YouTube clips and the family getting away, don't they? I'm no joking. It is what it is, isn't it? Yeah, I've got one more full day on the car. I've got to get the glass in. A good friend has offered to paint the doors, so at least it's going to go the Lakes tour without grey doors. So I'm just going to paint the doors, and then I'll look at getting it painted. the whole full car painted later on in the year sometime. We've got to put the seats in. Probably won't get chance to do the door cards. I'll have to build both of the doors up. I'm going to take it down with no mirrors because I don't want to put the standard mirrors back on. I'm looking at these race mirrors, but they're about 200 quid, so I'll wait for that. Just waiting for the new fuel reg to come, and then I can fit them other 2 pipes in the boot. And once that comes, I can put some juice in and fire up. So I'll pick some juice up this week. I'll pick some juice up tonight, a couple of litres, just so I can fire up. But yeah, we're nearly there, like, we're getting there. Like, need to bleed the brakes, but my mate Stu's coming round probably tomorrow night to bleed the brakes. So yeah, we're getting there slowly. I should easily make it. Like, I don't know if it'll break down or not, as long as the fuel lines don't leak. And this is the first time I've ever made PTFE fuel lines, and all I did was watch a little YouTube clip. I will post a clip on how to make them, if all mine don't leak, you know what I mean. Don't want to post a clip if I do them incorrectly. But yeah, I bought the right tools from the Talk website. They're on they've got a page on eBay which you buy all your bits from. Bought the right tools off them. Yeah, so let's see how we're getting on. All the backs, as I showed you before, didn't I? All the lights are on, all the rear bumper. I had a bumper powder coated by a local lad, Chris Higgins, done a lovely job, real nice in satin black. All the hoses, I've just got to stick all the battery, got to stick the battery on charge, ready to fire over, because this has got a high torque starter, because it's got so much compression with the 2.2. So yeah, let's crack on, eh? So I've gone for body colour, diamond white. Got these cans mixed up in our local paint shop, colour tone. I think they're about 11 quid a can. Quite pricey, like. But yeah, gave it a scotchy all the way around with a grey scotchy. Does take a while prepping it, like. But yeah, I'm gonna go for gone for diamond white, and then gonna put a clear lacquer over it as well. Just letting the diamond white go over. I've done 2 cans in just doing this roll cage hoop. It's a lot of paint, like, innit? Yeah, I'll clock all my Hot Wheels. Sick, innit? Sick little collection. So guys, hope you enjoyed the video. I know it's a bit messy, but it's quite hard filming some of your content when you haven't got all the bits and you can't show the finished article. Plus, because I'm doing the work, I can't actually film myself because I'm in such a rush. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll try and get another video of the finished car out before I end up going to the show. Alright, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Laters.
Please like and subscribe.